Hi everyone, if you have been using the Coinbase app and wondering on how to buy the Tron on the Coinbase app, then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Tron on the Coinbase app. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Coinbase app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now tap onto the search bar and type Tron to find out the cryptocurrency just like this. Now here is the thing. If the Tron currency is not available in the Coinbase app, you will see something like this on your home screen. And if it is available, you can simply buy it. Unfortunately, there are some cryptocurrencies that you cannot buy on the Coinbase directly. So if it is available, you can simply tap onto the buy button and add the payment method and simply buy it. And that's it. This is how you can buy the Tron on the Coinbase app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.